Okay, so on this one I have two functions. I have f of x equals x squared minus 1, and I have g of x is equal to 1 over x. I'm going to do 18, 21, and 20. No, 18, 19, and 21 are the ones I'm going to do. So 18 is f minus g of x, which is just going to be x squared minus 1 over x. There's nothing else I can do. I know I'm leaving it with x's because that was an f minus g of x. 19 is multiplication, so this is f times g of x. So I'm going to have x squared minus 1 times 1 over x. I go ahead and multiply it, and I get x squared over x minus 1 over x, which I can go ahead and put together because these are the same denominator, to be x squared minus 1 over x. And that's all I can do. Unless there's a number here, once we're simplified, we can't go any farther. I cannot pull out an x because I don't have an x in every single one of my terms. Okay, if there was an x here with the 1, then I could pull out an x. But because there's not, this is as far as I can go. And then number 21 is the composition g of f, and then solved at 3. We're just going to do the composition first, and then we'll work on the plugging in, okay? So g of f means g is my outside function, and f is getting plugged into that. So I have 1 over x squared minus 1. I can't simplify this anymore, so now I'm just going to go ahead and plug the 3 in. So this becomes 1 over 3 squared minus 1, which is 1 over 8, because 3 squared is 9, minus 1 is 8, and I'm done. I also could have taken this 3, plugged it in here first, and then I would have taken this 8 and plugged it in for the x there. Either way will work. It just depends on what you prefer. We are down to the last 3 problems. I'm just going to write the equations. I'm not going to draw the lines. So on numbers 24 and 25, pretty simple. We just have to know, well, I guess on 24 and 25, we just have to know slope-intercept first. So we have to know our y-intercept and we have to know our slope. So on 24, my y-intercept is at 7, and then my slope is -1, because I went down 1 and I'm going 6 to the right. So -1 over 6. So if I'm doing slope-intercept form, this means my equation is y equals -1/6x plus 7. And that's it. On 25, we're going to start out the same way. So on 25, my y-intercept is 6, right? And my slope is going to be -2 over -1, which is just 2, because the negatives cancel each other out. So my slope-intercept form is y equals 2x plus 6, but it wants it in standard form, so I need to take this 2x and subtract it over. Oh my goodness, here we go. So I get -2, oh my gosh. So I get -2x plus y equals 6. Remember, our x value cannot be negative and it can't be a fraction, so I need to multiply everything by -1, which leaves me with 2x minus y equals -6, and that is standard form. And then the last one, 26, you really can't put in standard form because it's a horizontal line. So our equation for that one is just going to be y equals 3, because it goes through the y-axis and is horizontal at y equals 3. So we're done.